Hey guys, how y'all doing? This is Big Dog Tino. I'm over here getting ready to eat some H.E.B. Flaming Bird. Oh my God, guys. This is the best chicken in the world. The best in Texas, but I consider it the best in the world. I mean, the Flaming Bird. Oh my God. I promise you guys, no matter where you go in the world, you're never gonna taste chicken like this before. It's the best. I'm gonna open it up for you so you can see it. I mean, guys, you want chicken, this is the one to get. No one's gonna beat H.E.B. Matter of fact, I think H.E.B. honestly is the #1 in the world. It just came out right now from the grill. I mean, it's unbelievable. Just came out of the grill. I'm gonna show it to you how it looks, fresh and hot. I mean, look at that, guys. I got the whole bird. This is really, really, really good. Look at that. Oh my God, just came out. Came out at 11:30 in the morning fresh. That's the first batch that came out. My God. This is the best. H.E.B. Flaming Bird. Alright guys, so I gotta get started eating before it gets cold. See you guys later, Big Dog. And I want to, as Jesus said, tell him, thanks for this food. Thank you, Jesus. Amen.